Number 11, lose your patience. It means to become impatient with someone or something.
She quickly loses her patience with slow internet. She quickly loses her patience with slow internet. I lose my patience when people are late. I lose my patience when people are late. He lost his patience during the long meeting. He lost his patience during the long meeting.
Number 12, lose your temper. It means to become angry and unable to control your emotions.
Try not to lose your temper at work. Try not to lose your temper at work. He lost his temper during the argument. He lost his temper during the argument. She rarely loses her temper, but today was different. She rarely loses her temper, but today was different.
Number 13, make arrangements for. It means to plan or organize something in advance.
We need to make arrangements for the conference. We need to make arrangements for the conference. He made arrangements for his parents' anniversary. He made arrangements for his parents' anniversary. Please make arrangements for the business trip. Please make arrangements for the business trip.
Number 14, make a case for. It means to present reasons why something should be done.
She made a strong case for changing the policy. She made a strong case for changing the policy. I'll make a case for starting the project early. I'll make a case for starting the project early. They made a case for more funding. They made a case for more funding.
Number 15, make a change changes. It means to alter or modify something.
Let's make a change to the schedule. Let's make a change to the schedule. She decided to make changes in her lifestyle. She decided to make changes in her lifestyle. Making changes to the plan might help. Making changes to the plan might help.